Hello students, today we see some more examples in practice set 3.2. Now example number 6, find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Now 3-digit natural numbers, first 3-digit natural number divisible by 5 are, now what is the first natural number, 3-digit natural numbers? That is 100. Now next 3-digit natural number divisible by 5 is 105 and so on. Now for this, therefore for this first write down, the 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5 are the 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5 are the 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5 are first 100. Now what is the second? 105. Third 110 and so on. Now which is the last 3-digit natural number divisible by 5? 995. 995. Therefore here, now here what is the first term? First term is denoted by a letter A. Therefore first term A is equal to 100. Now common difference D is equal to difference between, common difference, that is difference between any two consecutive numbers, that is 105 minus 100 is equal to 5, and 995, this is the nth term, therefore Tn is equal to 995. We have to find value of n. Now write down formula. Now what is the formula for nth term? Now we know that nth term of a sequence is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put values. Now value of Tn 995 is equal to A is 100 plus n minus 1, we have to find value of n, into D is 5. Now transfer this 100 to the left hand side. Therefore 995 minus 100 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 995 minus 100 is 895. 895. Now dividing by 5 is equal to n minus 1. Now dividing by 5 we get 1. Now here is carries 3, 39, therefore 7 carry 4, 9. Therefore 179 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 179 minus 1 becomes plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 180. And we have to find how many 3-digit natural numbers. Therefore 180 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Therefore there are 180 3-digit natural numbers divisible by natural numbers are divisible by 5. Divisible 5. This is the answer. Now write down next question, question number 7. The 11th term and 21st term of an APR 16 and 29 respectively. Then find the 41st or 41st term of that AP. Now here the 11th term and 21st term of an APR, that 16 and 29 respectively. That is 11th term is 16 and 21st term is 29. Then we have to find 41th term of this AP. Now write down 11th term, that is we have written down T11, 11th term, that is T11 is equal to 16 and T21 is equal to 29. We have to find 41st term, that is N is equal to 41. N is equal to 41. We have to find 41st term, that is T41. Now write down formula for Tn is equal to we know that A plus N minus 1 into D. Now put values. First put value of N is 11. T11 is equal to A plus value of N is 11 minus 1 into D. Now put value of T11 is 16. 16 is equal to A plus 10D. 16 is equal to A plus 10D. That is, we can write this as A plus 10D is equal to 16. This is number 1. And write down T21 is equal to A plus, now what is value of N? 21. Therefore 21 minus 1 into D. Now value of T21 is 29 is equal to A plus 20D. Now that is, we can write this as A plus 20D is equal to 29. This is number 2. Now write down equations 1 and 2. Now equation 1 is a plus 10d is equal to 16. This is number 1. And a plus 20d is equal to 29. This is number 2. Now we have to solve these two linear equations in two variables. That is, now sign of both terms are equal, therefore they have same sign, therefore take subtraction. Here plus a minus a get cancelled, minus 20d plus 10d, that is minus 10d is equal to, now here larger term is minus 29 minus 16 is 13, therefore value of d is equal to minus 13 divided by minus 10, minus minus get cancelled, therefore d is equal to 13 divided by 10. This is value of d. Now we have to find value of a, therefore put this value in equation 1 or in equation 2. Therefore put this value of d in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes, now here equation 1 is a plus 20d, that is a plus 10 into value of d is 13 upon 10 is equal to 16. Now here 10 get cancelled, that is a plus 13 is equal to 16, therefore a is equal to 16 minus 13, a is equal to 3. Now we know that values of a and d. Now we have to find value of T41. Now write down formula of Tn in the form T41. Now T41 is equal to a plus n is 41 minus 1 into d, d is into d, is equal to value of a is 3 plus 41 minus 1 is 40 into value of d is 13 divided by 10. Now here 0 0 get cancelled, 3 plus 13 into 4 52. Therefore value of T41, therefore T41 is equal to 55. Therefore write our answer. Therefore the 41th term of that AP is, therefore the 41th term of that AP is 55. Write down next question. Question number 8. 11, 8, 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. In this AP, which term is number, which term is number minus 151. Now in this example 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on, this is an AP. In this AP, which term is number minus 151? That is, we have to find here value of n. Now write down given AP. Given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Therefore here first term is A, that is A is equal to 11. Now common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, that is 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. And we have given which term is minus 51, that is Tn is equal to minus 151. We have to find value of n. Now write down formula for Tn. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put value Tn is minus 151 is equal to A is 11 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3. Minus 151 plus becomes minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 151 minus 11 is minus 162 divided by minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. Dividing by 3, 5, 4. 54 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 54. This minus becomes plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 55. Now here n is 55. Therefore what is the answer? Now which term is number minus 51? Therefore 55 term is number minus 51. Therefore the 55 term is number minus 151. Now we see one more example. Question number 9. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Now here in an AP we have given 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. This is given condition, and by using this we have to find the common difference, that is value of D. Now first write down given in an AP 17th term 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Now we can write this as 17th term is 7 more than its, that is 17th term, that is T17, is equal to, this is equal to 7 more than 10th term. Now 10th term is T10 plus 7. Now let us see from here, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Therefore, now put values by using formula. Now, formula is Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, T17, that is T17 put value of N is 7 is equal to A plus N minus 1, that is 17 minus 1 into D, is equal to T10, that is T10 value of N is 10, A plus 10 minus 1 into D plus 7. Here A get cancelled, 17 minus 1 is 16D is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9D plus 7. Therefore 16D plus becomes minus 9D is equal to 7. 16 minus 9, that is 7D is equal to 7. Therefore D is equal to 7 upon 7. Now dividing by 7, we get value of D is 1. Now we have to find the common difference, and D is the common difference. Therefore, what is the answer? Therefore, the answer is, the common difference is D is equal to 1. Therefore, the common difference is D is equal to 1. This is the answer.